Open your gallery. How many pictures have you got? There must be a ton of photos just sitting there. What if I told you that your gallery can become a cash machine? Here's what you can do. Welcome to Snow Creators Lab. Recently, I've been considering finding some passive income, and I found a fantastic way to earn money even while I'm asleep. Do you enjoy taking pictures? Whenever I go to a great spot, eat a delicious meal, or see my friends, I shoot photos. I only share a small portion of those on social media though. What about the other pictures I've taken? I thought about using them wisely by letting them have a job. How can photos get a job? Well, it's quite simple. You've probably heard about Shutterstock. Yes, photographers share, sell, and market their work on there. You're welcome to participate even if you're not a trained photographer. What do you need to do then? Not hard, but also not so easy. The most important thing about selling stock photos online is consistency, dedication, and ongoing learning. Before you can start earning the passive income you've been hoping for, you must at least invest some time and effort into it. Discover what kinds of pictures people would most likely pay for by looking through the stock photographs on Shutterstock. Then, take some useful pictures. And of course, having full ownership of your content is a crucial requirement. So let's consider some images that are suitable for a variety of uses. If you have a specific concept or theme for your shot, the target audience will be confined and will not be in high demand. For example, only those who search for buildings or city view would be able to see your stock photographs of tall buildings. In the meantime, if you uploaded pictures of a room, those who search for home, interior, furniture, room, and other related terms would see your pictures. The point is to create photographs of high demand. Today, I'm going to show you guys some good examples of stock photographs. I'll take some pictures of a room and edit them to be appropriate for Shutterstock. Turn on the camera and check if there's enough light to take decent pictures. Try several angles to find which best depicts the subject. Okay, I'll choose this for my photography. Let's now edit it to make a Shutterstock acceptable image. I'm going to edit with the EPIK app. It's an all-in-one photo editing app and it's all free. It has many great features, so I often use it when editing my photos. What do you think of this picture? Boring? Maybe. Let's see what we can do. Open up EPIK and select the photo you'll be editing. Before I do any amazing modifications, I just want to get rid of some unneeded portions of the image. Do you see this? It can be taken out. Click Remove under the tools on the menu. For precise modifications, you can alter the size of the brush. I'll smoothly remove this tiny portion of the image by slightly reducing the brush size. If you feel that it's not enough, you can erase more, but I'll just keep erasing more because I'm a perfectionist. Okay, my photo is now ready for some tone adjustments. Navigate to the Adjust sector and you will find lots of tools. You can change the degree of each feature, such as brightness, contrast, and saturation, to make your image look more appealing. I'll just slightly adjust the brightness and saturation for this picture to make it appear more vibrant. Then in HSL, alter the hue and saturation of the yellow tone to give the image a fresh feel. Next, sort of boost the amount of sharpening and vibrancy to make the image look more clear. I'll use the selective tool to try and make the image's focal point stand out more. You'll see the words select where you want to adjust after clicking selective. You can reposition the icon to suit your needs. Now, you can just adjust the chosen portion. To make it more noticeable, I'll boost the contrast. You can edit more if you think it's not enough. And that's basically it. How do you feel? Is it worthwhile to sell on Shutterstock now? Don't forget to upload them to Shutterstock after editing. Please be aware that success is not always simple to come by. However, the more qualified images you upload, the higher your percentage of commission fees will be. If you continue to put forth effort into this area, you'll learn more about the types of photography work that are more popular on this platform. Then, you'll one day start earning a sizable passive income and receive payment alerts while asleep. Hopefully, this video gave you some helpful ideas. I'll be leaving a link in the description to EPIK, the photo editing tool that we use today. Feel free to check it out. Thank you for watching, and for more tips like these, be sure to like and subscribe to Snow Creators Lab.